Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Rambling of an Analyst. In today's episode, it's going to be a relatively special episode whereby we are going to learn the step-by-step of how to turn $0 to $100. So that is the overall mission for this episode and the next couple of weeks. So in case you guys are wondering, why am I even doing this? So there are a couple of reasons. Number one, as many of you guys know, I have been in the startup space and I find starting up things, starting up small companies, creating little products, creating apps, I find it so fun to do and I love doing that so much. That's the first thing. The second thing is that I believe that we live in an era we are super duper lucky whereby with computers and with the internet, we can actually turn our passions into something we can monetize on. So that way we can live a very happy and purposeful life if we choose to do so. And the third reason why I'm doing this particular episode is that many of my subs and my friends right now, they realize that there's this number which has been thrown around the internet, which is if one were to get $100,000, they will be able to retire comfortably. And a lot of them and a lot of my friends have been asking me how to actually increase their returns from their investments to maybe 20, 30 or 40% without any downside risk. And with that, it's difficult for us to find any asset class that will give us only upside and no downside risk. So many of my friends right now are starting to realize that 100,000 is just not enough to retire off. But just let us assume that one is lucky enough to find an asset class without any downside risk that will pay 10% per annum based on dividends. That will give them about $10,000 per annum. And if they were to get that 10% and divide it by 12, they will only have $833 to live on a monthly basis. The scary thing of it all is that if we have 200,000 as a retirement fund, and if we were to multiply it by 10%, that will only give us about $1,600 per month to live on, which is still below poverty line. And if all seriousness, if we want to maybe chase for stocks which are more riskier, I want to maybe show you guys this particular picture of this airline company, which at one time was at $4, and at no fault of them or at no fault of the management, though there was a global pandemic, and from $4, the stock right now is hovering at about $1 right now. So yeah, to actually see your retirement fund, if anyone were to maybe invest a sizable amount, say in one stock, and to see all of that money just disappear during the pandemic, it could be relatively painful. So I guess these are the reasons why I want to start the challenge. The rules of the challenge will be very simple. The businesses that we're going to explore needs to have zero money down. I do not want to put 1 cent in any businesses we're going to start. The second rule is that the businesses that we're going to explore cannot be scammy. Once it sounds really dodgy or once it sounds really questionable, I'm out. And the final thing is that let's have fun making money. And over here, I want all of us to monetize on our passion. That way, we will have a purposeful, wonderful, happy life. Making money, doing what we love. Wow, it's a win-win across the board. So over here, should any of you guys choose to be in this challenge with me, I would maybe suggest that we have zero excuses. Every time when we fail, we just try to pick up ourselves, learn from the mistakes, and move on. First thing. Secondly, I'm going to have weekly episodes to tell you guys how I'm doing. That way we can be accountable partners for each other and we as a group can learn and grow together. The third thing which I want is we want to see how fast can any of us make $100 from zero, starting from once you watch this particular episode. So if you watch this particular episode maybe in January 2021 or February 2021 or maybe January 2030. Just start. Just start. I want any of us to watch this, to get motivated and just start. That is the whole intent of me making this particular video. Okay, so to end this episode, if any of you guys are wondering what business can allow us to make money without any cost down, one of the business that I may consider is affiliate marketing. And if any of you guys are wondering what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty much this. If we use a particular product, and assuming we like that particular product, assuming if we have an open house and we ate a little cake and we shared that cake to our friends, if all of them wants to buy that particular product, typically this is a form of marketing, right? But having said that, assuming if we use a particular product and that particular product has an affiliate link, and if we introduce it to some of our relatives, if any of them were to use the affiliate links, this is where we can make some money off it. And if you guys can recall, I actually introduced you guys to the affiliate link over in Rakuten Trade, and I did make some, I guess, Rakuten points. But for this challenge, since Rakuten Trade does not give any money, we're going to try to find different affiliate marketing sites for us to maybe explore and make some money off it. Okay guys, I'm super duper excited. I'm super duper pumped. I hope to see you guys in the next couple of episodes where you guys can actually see me stumble, fall, make mistakes, learn, have fun, and we're going to try to discover ways on how to make $100 in the next couple of weeks or next couple of days. With that guys, take care and I hope to see you in the next episode.